Hey guys, it's Dr. Lynn's here, and we're doing another legging review, and I can't wait to show you this one. Before we get into it, don't forget to give this a like when you get done watching this video and subscribe, because I'm bringing some more reviews to you guys to help you find the best clothing for yourself. All right, so here we go. I got some viral TikTok leggings from Amazon, and these are interesting to say the least, and we're gonna get into that, okay? But first I wanna give you my measurements or my size. I'm 145, 150, 5'3". I'll put my measurements below as well so you can take a look. And these pants, I got a size small. So these leggings, I wanna tell you, is it gonna be a yes or no at the end for me? But I wanna go over some of the details of this legging in general. The seams are what make the booty pop. If you do not know about these leggings, they make your booty pop, okay? And the reason being is because you can see this gray up here, this band, it then comes up and hugs the top of the glutes. And also there's a cinch in pretty much the butt crack to where it then makes each of your butt cheeks or your glutes kind of pop. So you got the whole outline of your booty, and it makes your booty look phenomenal. If you've been on TikTok, there are videos of ladies wearing these leggings and it's like surprising their husbands, and their husbands are like, what in the world? Because they just make your butt look that good. So that's the back seam. And then the front seam also is great where it V's in the front, which I really do like that. I always think that really does makes you elongates your legs, so it kind of comes up and makes your legs look a little bit longer, which I'm short, so that's always nice. And so that's the top there. Now the things that I really didn't like, okay, is there is a crotch seam here like in the front, and then also the butt seam that goes in your crack pretty much. I'm sorry. I can feel it, and I didn't really like feeling that seam go in the crotch area and then also my butt. Are they squat proof? Do you think these are squat proof? They are actually squat proof. From what I saw, they are not see-through when I did a squat. Now, when I was squatting, however, I could feel the cinch, the thread, because you can see the seam on the inside. I could feel that. I could feel it feel it in my butt crack pretty much. I know that sounds weird, but I couldn't. I didn't like it. I could feel it like this part up here on my sacrum, and that's just me. I didn't feel comfortable, like I wouldn't work out in these. So that's just what I was feeling there. Okay, so for the activity and hold of these, I've seen a lot of ladies work out in these leggings, and that's perfectly fine if that's something you want to do. They aren't, for me, when I put them on, they didn't really hold me in per se. Like the band is very stretchy. It doesn't really hold in my belly area. And same with the booty. I don't really think the point is for these to hold you in. So if you were doing like a CrossFit or a circuit type workout or jump roping or something, like you're going to be jiggling a little bit there. So they don't have a lot of hold. So again, I see other people working out in these and that's perfectly fine. But for me, I like something a little bit more athletic feeling. Something unique about these that I wanted to go over before I get into price and is if it's worth it or not. They have like a little kind of like, the best way to describe it is a fishnet like pattern. And these are the gray colored, and it's really like gray and white. Now, I personally would not wear these out and about, but like they have a blue, they have a pink, they have a black, to where they don't look as fishnetty, and I feel like they look more like a normal legging that you could wear out and about. So that is something unique about these. So for the price of these TikTok Amazon Fine leggings, they're 26 buckaroonies. Now, there's a lot. I'm going to link up the exact ones I got. There's a lot of different ones out there on Amazon, and I would be careful because I was reading reviews. Derek and I were reading reviews from different sellers, and you just have to be careful with who you buy from. And so this came in within like 2 days, which was so great. And $26 is not a bad price point for something that makes your booty look so good. So with that being said, are they worth it or not? I'm gonna go, it depends. But for me, I wouldn't wear these working out. I wouldn't wear them out and about because for me, I just don't want really my butt to be popping out like that in public. And when I'm working out, I don't really care to feel thread going in that region, but they do make you feel really good. So that's where I'm like in the middle here, where it's like, wow, I put them on. I was like, oh yeah. But then I'm like, but where would I wear them? You know, so that is my review on the infamous TikTok leggings from Amazon. If you guys want me to review anything else, any kind of brands, drop it below. I plan on doing bathing suits here in the near future, so be sure to stay tuned. Thank you guys so much, and we'll talk to you later.